I am Whelan Costen, an author, an artist, a storyteller, a podcast producer and host. I'm a fellow human sharing this journey of life with you on the planet at this time. Welcome. It's art, it's music, it's life, it's fashion, it's listening, it's learning, it's listening for the subtleties in life, it's sharing, it's determining and discerning fact from fiction, from illusion, from fantasy. It's art inspired by life. It's life inspired by art. We're living at a time like no other on planet Earth. Spiritual, physical, metaphysical, insights, wisdom, challenges. We're more connected by technology and less connected to each other. We're all seeking answers, and we're often too busy to listen for the truth. Her story and his story and our story. This channel is purely for entertainment and connection. I create art because I love it, and I'm always curious to see what is possible. I share it with you because I know you've never seen it before. It's something new, and I hope it will offer you a sense of connection. I don't do tutorials. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm showing you what I did and what the result was. And I often share insights I gained in life, sometimes the hard way. And sometimes the paintings will remind me of those insights, or I'll pick up on the energy in the world and gain some insight on that. And I share that with you in case you haven't heard it before. Maybe you need to hear it, or maybe it's just a reminder. I know I often need to hear things more than once from multiple sources before I really understand the message. Our world is so busy and hectic right now, a little crazy too at times, and it's my hope that you would gain a little relaxation and peace and a little enjoyment through my videos, maybe some food for thought. This is who I am, and this is what I do. And if you enjoy a little creativity spiced up with a little philosophy, then this channel is for you, and I welcome you, and I appreciate you, and thank you.